kum shi benta ban phai khmat bat ban wat ya kilat kilanti ba kumno ba andang pan bha ya kapule puthi bat ban wan ra ya kapule puthi ka ba kham janai kat kum ka NEP arjar arpho ka UMROI Presbyterian Higher Secondary School kalashna ya ka KAMRA KLAS ka ba kham karpang na ka benta ban yarap ya ki khna class nursery hadu class 3 ka bangi jutep kum ka foundational literacy and numeracy ban penyo ya ki jinghi kai ka bangi ong learning with practical activities based teaching lingba ki ITC information technology ha ka ba ya ka ne ka KAMRA class la pleno menta ka sngi ka san tarik risau da ka kong Mary Lenra state pedagogy coordinator SSA SEMAM ha ka jingdon lang ka kong PL Nonglait DSEO Ribhoi district ba TP temung principal e Gogoi project coordinator Bharti Foundation ba Vincent Nyanglang district mission coordinator SSA and SDSEO Ribhoi district ba S Kharshandi assistant professor lambat ki nong hikai bat ki khna school kumban shia thu ka jingdon jong ka FLN classroom kan ktik ya ka jingmut jing perkhat jong ki khna bat ka ne kan wanra ya ka jingkeu ha ka jingwan jong ki khna sha school bat ka ne ka KAMRA class FLN kan a ya ka jing hikai ka bakham bha bat ka bapaka ban seng nong rim ya ka jing start jong ki bakin yo ya ka nong rim ka baklan knang bakin long ki klur ki bapaka ha ka wei ka sngi ha ka ne ka ju ka sngi ka school ka la penlong ru ya ka school exhibition ha ka baki khna ki ha ban pen kre ya ka model jong ki kat kum ka phang ba labu bat ha ka ne ka sngi ki khna school ki la yo ya ka lat ban pen I shisha ya ka ta ka sap jong ki ling ba ka te ka exhibition
Sanitary disposal, water bottle and coffee cup. The way to minimize water pollution from the chemical industries, the waste that came from the industry the waste that came from the industrial chemical industries should be treated before discharged into the river and to the ocean.
It is a program which ministry had requested all states to make each and every one aware of this foundational literacy and numeracy. Even our National Education Policy 2020 had stressed on the foundational literacy and numeracy. It is one of the top priorities, the foundational literacy and numeracy. Actually in the National Education Policy, there are different strategies, like a different levels. We have the levels right from pre-primary to the elementary, then secondary, higher secondary, up to the universities. So what we are speaking right now out here is the foundational stage. So National Education Policy stress more on the importance of foundational stage. If the foundation is not strong, even the building will collapse, like Ma'am the SEO had already said. So now the education policy stress more on the foundational stage to be like each and every one of us who are here, we have to look into this very seriously, that the foundation right from pre-primary schools, it should be taken great care. So like last 2 months back we had a PLM workshop out here in Ribhoi, in Pairumong. So I was discussing with Ansumani regarding the foundational classroom. So Ribhoi is one of the districts. They should be very proud that they are having this foundational classroom. I think this is the second classroom which have been inaugurated.
The importance of life, the importance of love, the importance of obedience, the importance of respect, the importance of forming a habit and not or health.